Hey folks, just wanted to pop on with this quick video here because I was having trouble in quick video because of course no one likes a long video, especially if it doesn't do you any good. But I was having problems here with my Fuji Sportif 1.5 and just a popping in the rear in this derailleur back here, and just an annoying repetitive yet somewhat irregular, but repetitive, it sounds stupid, but a popping, you're riding and it's just annoying as heck. Anyway, point being, I'm done now, but I sat down to really mess with it and see if I could figure it out. Sat here and listened, pedaled and listened and put my ear right up to it, and I could, I found that it was coming from, I suppose this is a pulley on the derailleur here, this top wheel, right in this area anyway. I could really isolate it to right in there. But what happened, so actually I used, and here's a little tip, this worked for me. I used the slow motion function video player on my phone here. I got a Samsung Galaxy, and used the, I pedaled at a good speed and then put it on the slow motion and then sat and watched it. And what I could see is that a link, every so often, a link in the chain, right in this area right here, it's kind of like it would kind of stick and it'd pop as it'd come up, and it would, not just one link, but as you'd go, several different ones would do it. So that was the popping. So really my point of this, just to maybe hopefully help somebody else out, another amateur like me, the clean your chain. Oh my gosh, my chain was it didn't look great. I tried to always wipe it off, clean it, and lubricate it. Sorry, I'm trying to focus, not working out for me there. But nonetheless, I took the chain off, sprayed it down really good with the hose, and then I don't know what people think of this, if this is good or bad, but I used WD-40 to clean it. Sprayed it down real good and soaked it and cleaned it, and then cleaned it with soap and water and got it really shining clean, and there was no residue, no grease, lubrication residue on it, and it got to put back on. I also cleaned the cogs here, cleaned that really good with soap and water. Just cleaned up everything, cleaned up the pulleys, everything I could. But the chain was the key. It was filthy and causing that to kind of stick and kind of pop and everything. So nonetheless, you can see, not too bad, huh? I sure am happy after dealing with that popping for a couple of rides and meaning to get it to a bike shop this week and being behind and can't do it, didn't have time. Listen to that. So today's Thursday. On Saturday I have the Tour d'Italia in Italy, Texas. Gonna ride 40 or 50 miles, whichever one I think I'm actually up to. I know I can't do the 60, and I'll do more than 30, but now I'm happy. I got my bike back going, seems strong. Probably just need to clean it in general and get ready to go. But anyway, hopefully that can help somebody else. Go get you a new chain, or clean up that chain if you're cheap like me, because this one's still in pretty good shape. Thanks a lot. Get out there and ride and enjoy.